Just as a review, and I know I provided some other videos for you, I want to show you how you can convert a log base b of x to a natural log. So consider the fact that we might say y is equal to log base b of x. So if I wanted to, I could make each side of the equation the exponent for b. So that would be b to the y is equal to b to the power of log base b of x. And then I just have to remember one property of logarithms, because the exponential function b to the x and log base b of x are inverses of each other. And therefore, whenever I have the base here matching the base here, this is always going to just be equal to the argument, which in this case happens to be x. So b to the power of log base b of x is just equal to x. And so, for example, 2 to the power of log base 2 of x would be x, because the bases match. Okay, so if I continue now, I have b to the power of y is equal to x. So I'm going to go to another sheet here. B to the power of y is equal to x. And so now I can take the natural log of both sides of the equation. So natural log of b to the power of y is equal to the natural log of x. And then by using the properties of exponents on natural logs or logarithms in general, this y can come to the front. So I get y times the natural log of b is equal to the natural log of x. And now I'll solve for y. So y is equal to the natural log of x divided by the natural log of b. And I just have to remember from the last sheet that y is equal to log base b of x, right? Because I just made that substitution. So, and now I have that y is equal to the natural log of x over the natural log of b, which is log base b of x. So I can convert any log of any base to natural logs by just taking the natural log of b, putting that in the denominator of a fraction that has a natural log of x in the numerator. So how would I use that? Well, if I had log base 7 of x, this can be rewritten because now 7 is b, right? And so I have this, the natural log of x over the natural log of 7. Okay, so how could that benefit me? Well, if I wanted to take the derivative, for example, of log base 7 of x, I could try to remember a formula, or I could just remember that I could easily rewrite that as a derivative of the natural log of x over the natural log of 7. And now I just have to notice one thing. The natural log of 7 is just some constant, right? So then this derivative of the natural log of x divided by the natural log of 7 is simply equal to the derivative of a natural log of x, which is 1 over x, times that constant that's still there, which is 1 over the natural log of 7. And so this looks better if I write this as 1 over x times the natural log of 7. And if you go look at any calculus book, you'll see that this really looks like the formula that they give you. But this way you don't have to remember multiple formulas. You just remember how to do this conversion, which is this part right here, just by using your college algebra. Hope that helps.